Introduction to smart contracts. In its sense of solidity, the contract is a collection of codes and data in an Ethereum blockchain. Unitt stored data declares a stored data of Unitt type. It can be perceived as a single slot in a database that can be altered through the calling of the functions of a database that manages the database. In Ethereum, there is always the owning contract. The functions set and get can be used to modify and retrieve the data. Unlike other languages, the prefix is not used in accessing the state variable. Sub-currency example. An Ethereum key pair enables one to send cryptocurrencies without logging into your account and using a keyword and username. The contracts introduce some new concepts. 1. There is a state variable address that is publicly visible to everyone. The address type does not allow for arithmetic applications. The keyword public enables you to access the state variable. The special function coin is the contractor created when a contract starts. It cannot be reversed. It stores permanently the address of the person creating a contract. The function mint and send can be used by various users in calling for an end of a contract. Blockchain basics. Blockchain technology is fairly an easy concept for programmers. The set of features is simply in guiding the various developers in dealing with underlying infrastructure. Here are some of the basics. Transactions. The blockchain is a globally shared transactional exchange. Through participation in the network, one can view the transactions in the database. To change anything, you might need to create a code transaction that might need the approval of others to work. A transaction is cryptographically signed by the creator, ensuring that it's secure in the network. Blocks. The major challenge that blocks present is referred to in Bitcoins as double spending. An order for the transactions will be accumulated and then it shall be distributed and executed on the participating nodes. Any two transactions conflicting each other make the first transaction to be automatically blocked. After every 17 seconds, the new transactions are added to the blockchain. Sometimes order reversion occurs in the order chain. All that one needs is to wait. After sometimes the orders will normalize. The Ethereum virtual machine. This is a runtime environment for Ethereum. It is completely isolated given that the environment does not have access to any network or an environment. Smart contracts have limited access to other contracts. Accounts. Ethereum has two kinds of accounts: the public accounts that are controlled externally through public key pairs. Also, there is a contract account that is controlled by a code stored together with the account. Both accounts hold the same public address. Transactions. These are messages that are sent from one account to another. They might be in the form of binary digits and ether. Gas. This is a number of transactions set above which the sender must pay the gas fee. Storage, memory, and stack. The persistent memory area is called storage. The memory is an indication of each message call. The stack is an area where all the calculations in an EVM machine are performed. In order for one to end a contract, one needs to use the self-destruct function. Please subscribe.